Hello everyone. So UPSC Mains 2025 essay paper is out and once again it has lived up to its reputation. This paper doesn't just test your knowledge, it actually tests the depth of your thought, the clarity of your expression, and your ability to balance your ideas and do critical thinking. So, on this note, let's break down this year's paper. The format remains the same. You have two sections, four topics each. You had to choose one from each and write around 1200 words. If I have to talk about the nature, then section A was more philosophical and abstract. Topics like truth knows no color or thought finds a world and creates one also. Here, UPSC actually wants to see how deeply you can reflect, how you can connect the abstract ideas, and how you can explain them in simple words. Whereas section B was more reflective and ethical. For example, topics like muddy water or contentment is natural wealth, luxury is artificial poverty. These demand balance between the values or, let us say, the modern realities. Here you can bring your knowledge of ethics, sociology, philosophy, even your personal experience. So now the question is, what is the trend? What actually UPSC is testing here? So as I have always said, it is again testing three things. A, the philosophical depth. Can you explain abstract ideas in simple logical terms? Second, interdisciplinary thinking is what they are testing. Can you bring the knowledge from history, polity, sociology, economics together? And third, can you present a balanced outlook? Essays are never about extreme. For example, that contentment versus luxury topic, you need to balance between spiritual values and modern economical aspirations. So this year's paper, it will reward candidates who can blend values, anecdotes, thinkers, and most importantly, the current relevance of the topic. For example, in Truth Knows No Color, you could bring Gandhiji's Satyagraha, you could bring Martin Luther King Jr. fight for equality, or Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's vision of justice, or nothing else then, Immanuel Kant categorical imperative. You can also talk about today's debates on fake news, paid news, propaganda. Similarly, in Muddy Water is Best Cleared When Leaving It Alone, you could talk about Gandhiji's non-violence, you could talk about patience in diplomacy, or for that matter, the nature automatically heals when left undisturbed. So now the question is how you should approach these essays. Start with a powerful anecdote, then define the idea in simple words. Now take the discussion on various multidimensional levels. Always give a counter argument to balance the approach to the topic. Establish the contemporary significance and relevance of the topic, and finally conclude with a prescription, an optimistic message which shows hope and leadership. Remember, essays are not about just knowledge. It is about your vision, your ability to think like a statesman. As I have always said, facts make you a candidate, but ideas makes you a leader. So this 2025 essay paper proves once again. So all the aspirants who have attempted it, well done. Stay confident, your ideas matter, and this is your chance to shine. So, on this note, I wish you all the very best for remaining papers. We'll very soon come up with a detailed discussion on this year's essay paper. Till then, stay blessed. Take care.